How to cancel PlayStation Now online. So all you have to do is go to the website account.sonyentertainmentnetwork.com/login.action. I will put a link in the description, so you just have to click it. Now on this website you simply sign in, and once you've signed in, click on the media tab. On the media tab you want to find the option that says PS Now subscription and click on that, and then you want to click on the tabs until you find the option that says cancel automatic renewal. Once you've clicked on that, you will have cancelled PlayStation Now online. That's all you have to do, and if this video helped, be sure to leave a like and a nice friendly comment. It lets me know that I helped you guys out, and that would be great. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys later.